let me give you a little detail about what it is I'm building. I made a video explaining sort of the plan on this already, so I'll probably won't get into it a whole lot, but essentially what this thing is, this big angled piece of thingamabob, is it goes on the end of this table, and it's going to form a plane that is exactly 90 degrees to the plane of this table. And it's gonna bolt into the sides. I'm gonna drill holes all through the bottom of this thing. Whoa. All through the bottom of this thing, and then behind, there's gonna be 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, and then 2 bolts back here. And so it'll be modular, it'll come off and on that way. And then up here, I'm gonna get some slats that are the same thickness as these, so that you don't have to adjust your clamps, they'll be the same. And those are gonna run across this way. And then up here at the top, there's also gonna be bolts. There's gonna be 5. And there's gonna be corresponding 5, I think it's 4 out. I think it's on this one. There's gonna be another 5 bolts. And then in between this, remember this will be switched this way, and this thing, so over here and here, there's gonna be a gusset part that gets bolted in too. And there'll be 5 holes, I'm gonna build 2 or 3 gussets, and that way they're movable. So as I'm clamping something between these 2 90-degree surfaces here, these 2 perfectly flat 90-degree surfaces, they're both really flat. I mean, the machine is flat, but for welding, they're really flat. And they're 90 degrees apart from each other, and then I'll be able to clamp to both these objects and make boxes, essentially. Right now I can make planes really well, but it's really difficult for me to do 90 degrees like this and then turn it and then weld something else. This should be the last part I ever have to build that way. And then from now on, I should be able to use this surface and this surface to weld 2 things together and clamp them down really rigid with the strong gusset running in between, so they can't go anywhere in the weld them, and I'll know they're perfectly 90 degrees every single time. And that's gonna be sweet.